Princess Diana, born Diana Frances Spencer on July 1, 1961, in Norfolk, England, emerged as one of the most iconic figures of the 20th century. Her life was marked by a remarkable journey from aristocratic beginnings to global humanitarianism. As a young woman, Diana captured the world's imagination with her grace, beauty, and compassion. In 1981, she married Charles, Prince of Wales, in a fairy tale ceremony that captivated millions around the globe. Diana's reign as a princess was characterized by both triumphs and trials. Despite intense media scrutiny and the pressures of royal life, she won the hearts of the public through her steadfast commitment to charitable causes. Her philanthropic efforts garnered admiration and respect on a global scale. Tragically, Diana's life was cut short on August 31, 1997, in a car accident in Paris. However, her legacy as the people's princess lives on, inspiring generations with her kindness, empathy, and commitment to making the world a better place. Althorp House, nestled amidst the serene countryside of Northamptonshire, England, is not just a residence, but a living testament to history and aristocratic heritage. The construction of Althorp House commenced in the 16th century under the vision of Sir John Spencer, a prominent landowner of the time. The house was meticulously designed to reflect the grandeur and prestige befitting a noble estate, incorporating elements of classical Palladian architecture. Skilled craftsmen were enlisted to bring Sir John's vision to life, meticulously carving detailed stonework and sculpting ornate details to embellish the facade. Generations of the Spencer family contributed to the expansion and refinement of Althorp House over the centuries, each leaving their mark on its architectural legacy. The result is a harmonious blend of architectural styles, from the Tudor origins to later Georgian and Victorian influences, each adding layers of richness and character to the estate. Only the house itself is 100,000 square feet, while the whole estate spans across 14,000 acres with lots of grassy plants, pastures for farm animals, and fields of various crops. Stepping through the imposing doors of Althorp House, visitors are greeted by the opulence of the entrance hall. The soaring ceilings, adorned with ornate mouldings, create a sense of grandeur, while the polished marble floors reflect the soft glow of the crystal chandeliers above. The grand staircase, with its sweeping curves and carved balustrades, serves as a focal point, drawing the eye upwards towards the magnificent domed ceiling. Every aspect of the entrance hall is designed to impress, from the intricately patterned floor tiles to the elaborate ceiling medallions. The use of architectural motifs such as acanthus leaves, rosettes, and scrollwork adds richness and texture to the interior spaces, creating a sense of timeless elegance. As we explore further, we discover hidden gems at every turn, from hidden doors that lead to secret passageways to hidden compartments that conceal treasures. The drawing room of Althorp House is a symphony of elegance and refinement. The plush furnishings, upholstered in sumptuous fabrics, invite guests to relax and unwind amidst the timeless beauty of their surroundings. The large windows, adorned with silk draperies and elaborate valances, flood the room with natural light, illuminating the intricate details of the furnishings and artwork that adorn the space. From the ornately carved fireplace to the intricately patterned rugs that line the floors, every element of the drawing room exudes sophistication and luxury. Within the walls of Althorp House, we catch a glimpse of Princess Diana's childhood bedroom. While the furnishings may have changed over the years, the room still exudes a sense of warmth and nostalgia. The canopy bed, with its intricately carved headboard and draperies, is a focal point of the room, evoking a sense of fairy tale romance that captivated the imagination of a young princess. Inside the mansion are a total of 90 rooms. Ones honourable of mention are certainly the libraries. Interestingly, the Long Library was originally designed to be an exercise room for the women when it rained. Apart from the literary collection that was inside the house, it also contains around 650 paintings throughout. In the picture gallery and saloon, there is a showcase of art ranging from the 16th century all the way to modern-day portraits. Included in the 90-room tally are 31 bedrooms. During a party in 1755, the first Earl Spencer had a silent wedding in his mother's dressing room. He married Georgiana Poyntz quietly in the room, and they returned to the ball without anyone knowing about their marriage. Some of the other more notable bedrooms have been named after the people that stayed in them. The Queen Mary bedroom was used by Queen Mary and King George V when they visited Althorp in 1913. The beautiful tapestry work on the chairs was designed and embroidered by the 7th Earl Spencer, who was chairman of the Royal School of Needlework. The Prince of Wales' bedroom was visited by the man who held the title in the mid-1800s. This room previously served as the bedroom for the 4th Earl and Countess's bedroom, and where the Earl eventually died. Despite some wear and tear, the bedrooms remain as a preservation of the rich history of those who have stayed within them. Beyond the walls of the mansion lies a landscape of breathtaking beauty, the gardens of Althorp. Designed with meticulous care, these gardens feature manicured lawns, vibrant flower beds, and serene water features, creating a haven of peace and tranquility. Although much of the acreage of Althorp House is predominantly farmland, approximately 450 acres are designated as parkland. The formal layout of the gardens, with their geometric pathways and symmetrical plantings, reflects the influence of French and Italian garden design. The famous garden was designed by famed architect W.N. Toulon back in 1860. Tucked away within the grounds of Althorp House are the estate's church, which holds many of the Spencer family's intricately carved tombs. The church, with its soaring vaulted ceilings and stained glass windows, is a place of quiet reflection and spiritual nourishment. Every single person in here is a Spencer, or married into a Spencer, becoming a Spencer, Charles explained. On top of the tombs are carvings of the family members resting inside them. The oldest tomb belongs to none other than John Spencer, the sheep farmer who passed down his home over 500 years ago. Throughout its history, Althorp House has been home to various members of the Spencer family, one of the most prominent aristocratic families in England. The house has served as the ancestral seat of the Spencer family for generations, with notable figures residing within its walls. Here are some of the key individuals who lived in Althorp House over the years. John Spencer. Althorp House was originally built by Sir John Spencer in the 16th century. He was a wealthy landowner and the founder of the Spencer family's fortune. George John Spencer, 2nd Earl Spencer. The 2nd Earl Spencer inherited Althorp House in the late 18th century. He was a prominent politician and served as First Lord of the Admiralty. John Poyntz Spencer, 5th Earl Spencer. Known as the Red Earl due to his liberal political views, he played a significant role in British politics in the 19th century. Albert Spencer, 7th Earl Spencer, father of Princess Diana, he lived in Althorp House during Diana's childhood. He was known for his military service during World War II and his involvement in public service. Charles Spencer, 9th Earl Spencer. Brother of Princess Diana, he is the current owner of Althorp House. Charles is an author, journalist, and broadcaster, known for his contributions to British literature and history. These are just a few of the notable individuals who have called Althorp House home throughout its storied history. At the centre of the pond in the Althorp Gardens lies the People's Princess. After her tragic death in 1997, she was buried in a private part of the garden to give her eternal peace like her brother wanted. The pond is lined with 36 oak trees representing every year of her life. Her wishes just before her death were to return to the Althorp House, but were denied since it was too close to the road and would attract a lot of attention. Her last resting place is for that reason in a more private area, so that the family can peacefully mourn their beloved princess. There used to be a museum to showcase some of Princess Diana's personal belongings and notable outfits, but it was closed in 2014 when her belongings were taken to Kensington Palace by Prince William and Prince Harry after they inherited them. Despite that, there still stands a memorial temple dedicated to the princess and her wonderful contributions to society as a whole and the individuals that she touched. On that memorial, her quote is written, "Nothing brings me more happiness than trying to help the most vulnerable people in society. It is a goal and an essential part of my life, a kind of destiny. Whoever is in distress can call on me. I will come running wherever they are." With that, I hope you enjoyed this look into the Althorp House and the brief history of the Spencer family.
Thank you so much for watching this video, everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And comment down below your favorite part of the Althorp House. If you enjoyed this free content, consider supporting us on Patreon and becoming a member of the Cultured Elegance newsletter. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.